Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a look inspired by my pink and yellow hair. It is super faded. I'm going to dye it a different color soon. If you have any color suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. I'm super eager to hear from you. So butterfly looks have been done quite a bit, and you know what are equally as pretty? Moths. My favorite one being part of the silk moth family, the rosy maple. She is a beautiful specimen found in eastern North America and Canada. When they are caterpillars, they like to eat maple leaves, and when they are adults, they don't eat at all. So we love skinny legends. If you want to know how I created her on my face today, then keep on watching. Alright, my eyebrows are concealed, but not my acne. If you want to know how I did my eyebrows, don't ask me. Ask somebody else, because I have no idea what I'm doing, and I did this like 20 times, so yeah. First, I'm going to trace out the Rosy Maple Moth's body and wings on my face using my ColourPop concealer and my M421 brush. And hopefully I don't mess up my eyebrows that I just worked so hard on. It burns. That's not a good thing, but you know, I had to do my eyebrows 80 times, which involved a lot of aggressively rubbing it off, and then aggressively putting it on, and then aggressively rubbing it off, so my eyebrows are a little sore right now. They're going to be screaming at me this entire video, but it's okay. We're just gonna put on some earplugs and keep it pushing. Her body is longer than her wings, so I think, I don't know what I'm thinking, I'm just thinking. My eyebrows already kind of look like her wings, even though they go at a different angle, but this could be a butterfly or a moth on its own. Nice. Alright, so that's essentially her body. It's kind of not centered, but that's as good as it's gonna get, you know, so it's like fine. I'm gonna zoom you in just a little bit so we can see a little better. Oh. Oh. This is fine. Now we're gonna do the bottom wings. Now I'm going to fill this in with some concealer. Going to be going over this with my M173 brush. Now I'm going to use the pink and yellow Makeup Murder Neon pigments to fill in my lovely little moth. I'm going to go mix a little bit of water in with those pigments and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to start off with the yellow neon pigment and put that in the body and the bottom wings. Now I'm going to add the yellow in the center of the top wing. Now I'm going to apply the pink pigment. Alright, now I'm going to trace around this with some foundation, but first I'm going to prime my skin using my Benefit Professional Primer. But before I prime my face, I'm going to go around my Moth with a makeup wipe just to get all of the neon pigment away from my skin, so it doesn't show weird in the black light. Alright, so as you've noticed, I have a little bit of some acne that I've been messing with very wrongfully. I know I shouldn't do that, but I have a problem. I'm an addict and I cannot stop. Okay, now I'm going to use my ColourPop No Filter Foundation and my concealer to get rid of these pimples. They're more scabs now, but... Now I'm going to get in these hard to reach places with my M421 brush. So that's just not covering up, and it's fine. So I'm not going to conceal my face, I'm just going to set it using my Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Pressed Powder. Now I'm going to contour my face using my Morphe E4 brush and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit. Now for a little blush, I'm going to use ColourPop Super Shock Blush in the shade Holiday on a Morphe M405 brush. Like my neon skin tutorial, I'm going to go around my Moth with my contour kit and a Morphe M431 brush. Now I'm going to shade even further with a little bit of a darker brown. For that, I'm going to use Cypress Umber from the Modern Renaissance palette, and just a tiniest bit of this on the darkest areas. Now just for a little extra detail, I guess, I'm going to trace around it with some black eyeliner. And it doesn't matter if the lines are straight, I'm actually going to do a bunch of little staggered lines because this moth is fluffy, so I'm going to try to mimic that texture with my brush strokes. So their antennae are typically yellow, but I'm going to do them in black, and I really love the shape of them, so yeah, just thought I'd let you know. I feel like it's missing something, so I'm going to use a little bit of my BH Cosmetics white concealer and a small lip brush to add some highlights. So I'm pretty much done with the Moth. I'm just going to add lipstick. For that, I'm going to use Jeffree Star's Diva. Hi. Hey, big boy. Yeah. Big boy.